Thinking about your money, does it feel like a bunch of different pieces scattered all over the place? Maybe you've got a savings account here, a few stocks somewhere else, and you're not even sure how your crypto fits into all of it. If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone, and you've probably heard of Wealthsimple. But what does all-in-one actually look like in their app? Today, we're going on a quick tour to demystify the Wealthsimple mobile app and show you how it brings all the key parts of your financial life together in one place: invest, trade, crypto, and tax. Let's start with what many people know Wealthsimple for: invest. This is for the hands-off investor. You answer a few questions about your financial goals and your comfort level with risk, and the app builds a personalized, automated portfolio for you. You can set up a recurring deposit, and that's it. Your money is invested, diversified, and rebalanced for you, all behind the scenes. It's the set it and forget it approach to building long-term wealth. Next, we have trade. This is where you get to be the active participant. If you have specific companies or ETFs you want to buy, you can do it here, commission-free. The trade section gives you access to thousands of stocks and ETFs on both Canadian and US markets. It's perfect for the investor who wants to pick their own winners and build a portfolio from scratch, on their own terms. Then there's crypto. The world of digital assets can be intimidating, but Wealthsimple simplifies it. You can buy, sell, and even stake a wide variety of cryptocurrencies right alongside your traditional investments. The app's clear interface and a user-friendly process make it easy to get into crypto without having to deal with complex crypto wallets or exchanges. It's a simple way to dip your toes into the digital currency market. Finally, we have tax. This is the part that ties it all together, and it's a game changer. Wealthsimple Tax is a powerful tool that helps you file your taxes quickly and easily. What's even better is how seamlessly it integrates with your other accounts. It can automatically import your tax slips from your Wealthsimple investments, saving you from the headache of manually entering all that data. It helps you find deductions and credits you might have missed and ensures you're getting your maximum refund. So, whether you're building a passive portfolio with invest, trading stocks with trade, buying crypto, or just trying to make tax season less painful, the Wealthsimple app brings it all under one roof. It's a single, powerful tool designed to make your money work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.